Here is a 10 kilowatt twin shuttle HFD machine with twin trays. I'm going to try some welding for you. Initially you can see there's a power control up here. This is the first tray. You have a heater system on, it's controlled by this heater system here. This is your second tray. Your heater box there, which controls heating. Okay, Craig, can you do a... Yes, please. You can see that there's welding up on there. Let's bring it back out, Craig. Hold it in. And you can see we have a weld here. Obviously we can try testing your particular machines and materials, should I say, on the machine with tooling if you want to send them across. And this is the machine.